Hi, in this video we will install Git and Windows 10. So to install that, first of all we will come to the Chrome browser or some other browser and we will just search the Git, and we will come to this first website and click this Git. After that we will come to the download section. So we would like to download that for Windows, so let's click Window. So after we will install, my operating system is 64-bit, so I will just download this one, 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Yeah, so it is 50 MB, so I will pause the video when it is downloaded, so then I will start resume the video. So the Git has downloaded, so let's go to the download section and see it has downloaded this exe file. Click it, open it, yeah. Do you want to allow this off? Yeah, I would like to install it, and click next, and in this location next, the folder already exists. Would you like, I have already would you like to install that folder anyway? Yeah, I would like to install that, and next, press again next, and again press the next, and let get decided. Okay, and next, just press next because by default that is okay. Check out Windows, okay, using my TV, it is okay. Default credential manager, and press install. Yeah, that has installed. Finish. So now let's come to the CMD and just press Git. See, we have these commands that we would like to run, or clone, fetch in, whatever you would like, so you can perform with Git. So it was all about installation and downloading of Git for Windows 10. So if you have liked this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.